Good morning and welcome students to your political science class. Today we are going to study one chapter from your political science book, and the chapter which we will study today, that chapter is power sharing. So what we are going to study in this chapter, first of all I will tell you. Today in this chapter we will see that how the power is shared in a democratic country among different organs of the government. Different organs of the government means legislature, executive and judiciary. We will see that how power is shared among different groups living in our country. As you know that India is a very vast country and having a very vast population. So today I will tell you in this chapter that how power is shared between different groups living in this country. I will try to make you understand this system of power sharing by giving example of two countries. And those two countries whose example I am going to give you. The first country is Belgium, and the second country whose example I will give you is Sri Lanka. Belgium and Sri Lanka, in both the countries, the people were not satisfied with the policies, with the planning and with the rule of the government. But in both the countries, the government tried to solve the problem of the people. The government tried to convince the people in two different ways. The approach and the work which was done in Belgium in order to satisfy the demands and the needs of the people was totally different from the approach which was taken in Sri Lanka by the government. So first of all, I will try to make you understand by giving the details of the two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. So first, let me start with the example of Belgium. Belgium is a very small country which is located in Europe. Area-wise, Belgium is very small. If you compare Belgium with one Indian state of Haryana, then area of Belgium is nearly the same as the area of Haryana. Population of Belgium is very less. It is near about 1 crore. And Belgium shares border with Germany, France and Netherlands. In Belgium, three groups were found, or you can say that three groups mainly live in Belgium. One group, that is 59%, they speak Dutch language. 40% people of, or you can say 40% population of Belgium speak French language, and 1% population of Belgium speaks German language. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. The ethnic composition in Brussels was totally different from the ethnic composition in rest of the country. In Belgium, especially in the city of Brussels, which was also the capital city, the French speaking population was in majority. 80% population of Brussels, or you can say the capital city, spoke French language, whereas 20% people spoke Dutch. If you draw a comparative study in the capital city Brussels and rest of the country, then very easily you can find out that the group which was in majority in the capital was a minority in rest of the country, and the group which was in minority in the capital city of Brussels, that group was in majority in rest of the country. So this was the ethnic composition of Belgium. What was the problem in Belgium? That the majority and the minority, they had misunderstanding. They were not satisfied with the policies of the government which was framed. The minority felt that they are neglected by the government, and the majority also, most of the time, were displeased with the activities and actions of the minority group. But the government in Belgium was very responsive government. They understood that this problem or these differences can grow and which can result in civil war like situation, or which can have a very bad consequence in future. So the government tried to accommodate, or in other words you can say that the government tried to maintain peace and tranquility in the country by satisfying the majority and the minority both. They brought many reforms. They took many decisions in order to bring peace and tranquility in the country. So students, in next video I will tell you that what steps were taken by the government in Belgium to accommodate, or you can say to solve the problems between different groups living in Belgium. Thank you.